Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make money without working so hard. Do you want to earn additional income every month? Then you have come to the right place. This site pays around $5 to $85 per survey. I will not talk much, but this site is a well-paying survey site I have ever come across so far. I got signed up yesterday and within an hour and 30 minutes I made $300, I couldn't believe my eyes. I am going to do a survey so you can be convinced that what I am saying is not a joke, scrolling down to find the high-paying one which is $50. Okay, let's get started. Click on it to open a new page to tackle. It won't take long. Click on Begin Evaluation and afterward come back to begin the survey. By using my link below you will make $3 bonus for even signing up. You can at least make $800 a week without striving yourself too much. So you can make $3,200 a month, which is not bad at all. Answer all these questions and then click on Submit. I have added the link to take you straight to the site and start making money right away. This is for US citizens only. If you are not in the US, I am sorry, don't bother to sign up, for you will not even get a penny according to their policies. Yeah, I made $50, wow, this is unbelievable. The survey name was Profit from the Internet $50. That is today, May 31st, 2018, and it is not a joke. You can finish all these surveys and make like $1,000 if you have time to do all of them. Surveys are there 24/7, so good luck and enjoy life. Click on the link below and start making money now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. Bye.